While the West watches Elon Musk's steel tubes explode and rebuild in Texas, a silent, heavily funded shadow is moving in the east. Russian scientists at the Troitsk Institute claim they have cracked the ultimate code of interplanetary travel, a magnetoplasma engine that reaches Mars in 30 days. Not 8 months, not a year, 30 days. This isn't just a technological update or a fun science experiment. It is a fundamental shift in geopolitical power. This is the end of the SpaceX era as we know it, because chemical rockets are about to become obsolete. But there is a secret, a nuclear heart at the center of this machine that the mainstream media is too afraid to touch. Stick around, because by the end of this, you'll see exactly why the race to the red planet just became a dead end for everyone else. We cover the stories the mainstream ignores. Subscribe to stay ahead of the hidden operating systems running our world. The physics here are brutal. Traditional chemical rockets are effectively the steam engines of the 21st century. They are heavy, incredibly inefficient, and agonizingly slow. Russia's Keldysh Research Center is bypassing combustion entirely. They are betting on a magnetic bottle, an electromagnetic field that contains ionized gas. Traditional engines max out at an exhaust velocity of roughly 4 kilometers per second. This new Russian plasma drive pushes particles out at 100 kilometers per second. If Starship is a heavy cargo truck navigating the solar system using orbital drift, this plasma engine is a railgun. And in the vacuum of space, the entity with the highest velocity dictates the laws of the solar system. But here is the trap. To generate the sheer electrical thrust needed for a 30-day transit, you cannot rely on delicate solar panels. You need a mobile nuclear reactor. Russia is currently developing Project Zeus, a nuclear space tug specifically designed to power these megathrusters. This technology bypasses every green space treaty ever signed. It is a direct challenge to the Western monopoly on space. While NASA negotiates endless bureaucracy, safety protocols, and budget committees, Moscow is gambling on a high-stakes nuclear propulsion system. The West has deemed this technology too politically sensitive to build. But it's not just a speed advantage, it's the weaponization of the transit route itself. The authenticity of the 30-day claim is grounded in very real plasma dynamics, currently being tested in a 14-meter vacuum chamber outside Moscow. But the reality isn't scientific exploration, it is a propulsion Cold War. If this engine ignites in orbit, the space economy shifts overnight. By the time we realize the true cost of this speed, the red planet won't be a colony, it will be a fortress. We are either building a bridge to the stars or a ceiling of shrapnel that will ground us forever. But if you think this orbital land grab is the only trap being set, you aren't paying attention. The global power shift goes much deeper. Click the video on your screen right now to see the next engineered crisis the mainstream media is ignoring. The world is running on hidden operating systems. We expose them. Stay ahead of the curve. I'll see you in the next one.